everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Halloween sushi layer cake. Layered with smoked salmon and crunchy sesame seeds, topped with sweet shredded egg crepe and salmon roe. Sweet and salty flavor matches really well. They are tasty yet delicious combination. I decorated in the Halloween color black and orange. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. First, let's make Kinshi Tamago shredded egg crepe. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix very well and strain with a strainer. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Pour in the egg mixture and spread onto the pan. When it spreads evenly and doesn't move, place it on a wet cloth to lower the heat. Flip it over, put on low, and cook the other side. Leave to cool and cut into thin strips. Now let's make sushi rice. I'm using sushi vinegar. I already uploaded the from scratch sushi rice video, so please check it out if needed. Wet the cake pan or line with plastic wrap. Place the sushi rice and press down flat. Sprinkle with toasted black sesame seeds. Make sure you cover the edges so they can be seen from the outside. Place another layer of sushi rice. Place smoked salmon, cover the edges again. Again the sushi rice, black sesame seeds, and sushi rice. One after another and flatten as well. Turn the cake pan upside down onto a plate to remove the rice. Place Kinshi Tamago shredded egg crepe, and feel free to decorate with the toppings of your choice. But of course, simple shredded nori sheet is perfect. Mainly, I used orange colors. Black and orange are perfect Halloween colors. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
これケーキみたいこれ。